Hello everyone, welcome back. New brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this song is currently not available on Instagram story. If you face this type of error, so how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your phone setting, and from here click on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off Wi-Fi toggle, at least the third scan you have turned it on, and after that go back. If you use mobile data, then turn on aeroplane mode, at least the 30 scan you have turned it off, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back here home screen, and after that open again setting, and from here scroll down and click on apps management, and from here click on app setting, and from here scroll down and search for this Instagram app. Scroll down, click on Instagram app, and from here and tap on storage and cache, and from here clear cache and clear cache, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then open your app store and play store, and from here search for this Instagram app. Click on this and make sure that update your Instagram app, and after update your Instagram app, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.